Awesome. Just a quick update. To answer the question everybody wants to know the answer to is 1000 watts or smoke. I reckon this should be good to 60 amps. Just got my 100 amp ASC. Just look at that beast. Incredible, huh? Its back wasn't wired up for some reason, so I had to put that red wire across there to the little 5 volt regulator powering the chip. Just look at the number of FETs on that sucker. They couldn't get them all on 2 boards, so they had to sandwich another one in there. Awesome. I was struggling to power it. I did have the great idea of using my welder, which I was thinking, you know, it's a switch mode power supply. Really nice welder actually. I'm enjoying using it. Stahlwerk 200 amp. It's got like a 60% duty cycle on 200 amps, which is great for me. Perfect. I've never had it overheat on me. You know, I'm doing kind of mostly smaller farm stuff. On the odd really chunky thing, it doesn't really matter. But yeah, it does MIG, manual metal arc, and MIG, TIG, manual, MIG. Just yeah, beautiful. I haven't played much with the MIG, apart from the fact the instructions in the front seem to be in German. It's a beautiful welder. You know, for 500 pounds, something I could afford as well, which is awesome. Yeah. Anyway, its open circuit voltage was way too high, like 60 volts, even when you're turning it right down. And also I reckon there must be some, it must really hum away, like with a high frequency start as well, so it might be screaming away, and then when I tried to plug that into the ASC it would maybe short out the caps or something. But it didn't like 60 volts. So plan B, power supply, a couple of lead acid batteries, 12 volt lead acid batteries, hooked up in series, way up, jumpers into the watch meter, across to here, and then yeah. So basically what I'm doing is driving these little motors. So they're rated for like 300 watts. I'm just turning up the voltage, allowing more current to flow. See what kind of performance we get out of these print props. So there's a kilo thrust at 24 volts, 3.1 amps, 73 watts. Take it up to 2.5. 2.5 kilos at 235 watts, 24 volts, 9 amps. So it's definitely drawing more power with a higher voltage, and it's less efficient. Oh, bad connection. I think this thing's overheating. The heatsink just dropped off. Alright, let's see if we can get this. I'll take it up to 3.5. 3.5 kilos. 14 amps at 24 volts, 330 watts. Max it out. 4.8 kilos. Oh, heatsink's upset. 4.8 kilos at like 900 watts, 20 amps. Poor guy cool down. Ooh, it's toasty. Ooh. interesting. So probably you'd be better off just sticking to like a 4C pack, running them at the right voltage and having a pair of them instead. Maybe overdrive them a bit, but alright. Crazy invention of the day. Collet puller. I was kind of struggling to get these collets off. They kind of go on and then they jam like a. You have to kind of pull that part, get it removed. So I printed off a collet puller. Slides in like so. Push. Done. Ta-da! I like it. Yeah, stainless steel with a M10 nut in there. M10 stainless bolt through the middle. Just screws down, pushes it off. It's not very universal probably, it's probably quite specific to the collets I'm using. But you could put them in that slop here. Or you could have a metal piece on there. Might allow you to go around the whole propeller maybe. That would be cool. But yeah, that's what I've got, it works. Cool. I did actually buy the ESC to drive this motor here. It's a 700 watt motor, 6C rated. So this could deliver quite a lot more power, and probably a lot more efficiently than these little ones, just being overdriven. Fun and games.